Hi guys, today I'm gonna look at the Spreadsheet is a Nightmare Harry Seiders Road to Las Vegas 2024 case, which was the third round and the first time I qualified. Was my second battle, so I got quite lucky there. Now I'm wanna do level 7, so I just had read about it. It's just you have a really large map. It's oh my god, a lot of elements, like all of them are filled, so that's why we have like 700,000. And pretty much we are starting here. I think before we did moves, and when we encounter ghosts and alien, it's stop. This time we stop, and we are supposed to determine which one will be the closest. So I think, what do we do? Like with the lambda, it's quite easy. Technically also, what you can do is you can do a reduce or like a recursion, where you just always go one further around and check if there's anything inside, and if there's something inside, to return the address. So that's also something that should work. You can flatten it. I'm gonna try some things, so let's see. So let's just call it MP, which is large. It's fine though. I want to call if MP is more than nothing, then MP else 2. That is my content, right? Content. I want ADR, I guess, which is address of a row, row of MP, call MP, like that. If I do it like that, I get, of course, a large map, and also I get everything. But what I want to do is I want to call ifs MP larger than nothing, then that. So now they align. Perfect. Now I have the contents. I like row values, so that is to call if MP is larger than nothing, then I want row MP times 1,000,000 plus column MP, like that. And I think that is good. So we have those 3. I think I want to try different things. So let's just start with let reduce nothing sequence 10, I guess, under IC. If I equals nothing, then something else I. Right, so now I can do it like that. What I want to do is I want to offset this one minus C minus, minus C times 2 plus 1, C times 2 plus 1. Right, so that is my, because I don't set anything, this will, wait, what? Reduce sequence of, oh yeah, okay, indirect. So I was confused now. Void. Right, so now, okay. So if and let's just say it like that. It's easier so that it doesn't keep expanding. So you can see here I take one step. Oh, wait, I'm interested. Why? If I do one step, okay, all of them are nothing. 2, like that, right? And now 3. Okay, so now since they are like that, now I have pretty much my content. And what I want to do is let's just call let I don't know, rank for range. And now what I can say to call, well, can maybe to no ifs ran more than nothing, then one address of row ran column ran for, right? I can to call that to call with 2, I guess. Oh, that's not good. With 2. And now if if is error can add can maybe, then I want nothing. Else I want add can. Okay. Whoops. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I only have sequence 3 here now because I wanted to check. That's the sequence 5. So that is an option how to solve it quite easily. So you start somewhere, you expand the range more and more, and you take the first one. That is one option. Since it's volatile, I'm gonna paste these values and yeah, just delete that. I don't know how to do that. Like I know it in German, but I don't know it in English. But yeah, that is one option, right? So next option could be, well, I have my addresses, right? And I have my Roku. Now I want the distance maybe. So since I don't have lambdas for row and column number now, I know that I can do it in volatile, but it's easier to do it just volatile. So let's just say what do we do? Okay. I'm just gonna get wait, I need a moment. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, because I forgot what I did here, I just deleted it. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to go over distance. I remember that. So let's just do it a little bit different now. I don't think that I can do it like that. I can. Ah, okay, because yes, okay. I can't just row, but I can do it with is because then it broadcasts. So what I mean is if I just do columns MP to call. Ah, so laggy. Yeah, not columns, column. Oh, same error here. Column. But yeah, it's shorter because it doesn't get repeated because I don't use the ifs to broadcast it. So that is important. So then I have row call. Let's just do it like that. And whoops. Okay. What am I pressing? So I guess I don't have a lambda and I don't want to do it so complex way. So I'm just gonna say row. Well, let's just say row indirect. No, nah, indirect. This column indirect. My God, what am I doing? Indirect this. So now, since we want diagonal, I can pretty much just do the difference and then the max. Okay. So I think what I want to do is h stack this maybe minus row column. Oh, that is too much. Interesting. Let's see if I can do it if I don't use a range operator. Sometimes it works. Yes. I don't understand why, but okay. Now like that, right? And I can take by row ABS max. That is the distance. And I think what I can do is I can sort by ADR by that, right? And then I can take the first one. It's a little bit slower, but it's also working. Nice. So indirect, of course, makes it volatile. Again, so not the best option, but that is fine. Yeah, pretty much you can do the same we did here with the offset and so on. You can do that without offset by just moving outward from all your directions. I think that's a little bit different, but we can also try that. So let's just, I'm taking this again. So I want, oops, a row indirect times a million, so 1e6 plus columns, column. So this should be my, yeah, my value, and now I can, if I want to move upwards, I'm going a million, right? 1e6 I have 1e6, I have -1, -1 and 1. And all the directions I have are, if I add them like that, yeah. And now I want to flatten that, so to row is that, and I could just say ifs, or I can filter, right? So I just say ifs, that and that. So now I have the 0 outside. Those could be deer. And now what I can do is, let's just say reduce that, I guess. Sequence 1 maybe for now. Lambda. Lambda, I see. And I guess what I want to do is I want to let can is I plus here, right? So what I want to do is I can xlookup can and row call from either. If nothing, I want maybe just can, which like that it doesn't work because then I get an array of an array issue. So if now can, wait, maybe I should show that. You have to be careful with this argument. Let's just do it. Let's change this. Okay, it's already 1. Here. Oh no, why does it work? This is the same. Okay, it doesn't work. It was just the showing. So exactly what I meant. This is an array, and this always takes like the first argument in the if not found. So if you want to have it properly, you need to use ifna or ifna. With candidates, and we can see the difference. My God, I'm fat fingering way too much. Like that, and now I have the different options, which is better. So now I can say, do I want it like that? No, maybe not. Maybe it's easier like that. But yeah, that's just to show. So all of them are errors. So opt maybe for options. Then to call, well, I can technically directly to call flatten. So if this error at opt, then I want to call can, and else I want at opt. Right, so if I do it like that, I should get all of them, yes. And now I can just say if is text at I guess, then I also do that. Let's see. Now let's do 4. Yeah, oh, I get them twice because I didn't do the opt here, apparently. The add. But let's see if that works. No. Well, is it the same? Looks good. Yeah, those are like some options. I don't know which one is the easiest. Probably if you have it set up that you have a row and a column number, I think with the sort by approach it's quite easy because you just get the distance and sort by it. You don't have to do minus because you want the lowest one. If you have the setup with the row call, then it's also quite easy because you just step outside, and the volatile approach also is not that difficult. There are probably more options, but those are the ones I wanted to do now. Well, at least the ones I was thinking about now. And yeah, to think this was quite hard when it came out. Now it's quite easy. So I think we all improved a lot. So yeah, thanks for watching, and that's it from me.